Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. I want to make some muffins, and I think I'm going to do a little mixture of chocolate chip and salted caramel. Yeah, stick around. You'll want to see this. I've got all the ingredients laid out here. This is everything that I've used. I've got it pre-mixed. Everything's pre-mixed and ready to go. Lily's chocolate, salt, baking soda. I used powdered stevia and brown sugar. The recipe called for half a cup of sweetener. I don't like the flavor of that much sweetener, so I like to use the brown stevia because it gives it a lot better flavor. I've got some almond flour and a little bit of coconut flour in there too. We've got vanilla over here. We've got some organic Greek yogurt. This is the chips I was telling you about. 3 eggs. Let's hope I don't forget to put them in there. I'm good at that. But and I've got my pan ready. These are sprayed with some olive oil. As I said, I have pre-mixed all of the dry ingredients. And I left myself a little well. I actually whisked this stuff in together. But I'm leaving myself a little well because that's what I'm going to pour all of this down into. That way it helps distribute it a little bit better. Probably could have used a bigger bowl, huh? But I think we'll be alright. I like that it had the little spout on it. So, and guess who doesn't have their sink of water over here? Yeah, that would be me. It's okay. 3 eggs. You might say that seems like a lot of liquids. Not really when it comes to coconut flour and almond flour. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this mixed up very carefully, of course, very carefully. Slowly, slowly, slowly. I'm going to start working this in together. I'm not going to start whipping it around. I'm just folding it in. After I get it fairly combined, then I'll get a little quicker with my spatula. Spatula. Y'all know. Alright. Yeah. And this is a little scoop that I... Seems like whenever I get started doing something, my phone starts ringing. I'm sure whoever it is will leave a message. But what I was going to say is... I picked this up a while back at Dollar General. Perfect measurings. Ta-da, ta-da. But this is the scoop we're going to use to put our batter in the silicone liners over here. Still seems a little dry to me. Maybe it isn't. Just seems like it is. Alright, I think I've got it well mixed. So now I'm going to incorporate about 3/4 of that cup of our chips Mind you, this is Lily's. So we're not, it's no sweetener added. We're good to go. No sugar added. Sorry. So we're good to go. Oh yeah. Hope these taste really good. They look really good. And of course, I gotta wash my hands off, you know. Move things out of the way here. Let me grab a spoon. We want to be able to get all of that goodness out of there. All right. Now. It just seems like I don't have enough room. Probably because I really don't. I think just filling it on up like that is fine. Just wanted to make sure I had enough. I mean, I went by what the recipe said, so obviously I should, but sometimes things don't measure out just right for some reason. And I just wanted to make sure. So, get all of it out of there. Some more in that. I'd stop dropping it everywhere. Right. Now, get this over here and let me rinse off my fingers here. But first of all, tap that down some. Just so it don't come rolling out. Don't really want that going on, do we? Alright. Now, remember those chips that we saved? They're going on top. Yeah, y'all know where them two just went. I do that sometimes if I want to, I'm craving a sugary snack. If I don't have anything made like this, then I'll run in here and open up that jar of Lily's, whatever flavor I might have, and grab a little bit of them and yeah, buddy. So let's get these in the oven. I've got the oven preheated to 400 degrees. Let's get these in there, and I'm telling you, I hope none of that comes out of there. All right, there we go. We're gonna bake these for 20 minutes or until the toothpick test, insert a toothpick, pull it out, see if it comes out clean. We'll do both. I'll check at 20 minutes, but I'll also check with the toothpick. So, see you in 20. Perfect. These smell amazing. They absolutely do. And look how pretty they are. That is a pretty muffin. Look at that. Yeah, of course. Of course, we're going to give them a taste test. We'll put a little snip at the end here when we go to taste these, just to see if they're really as good as they smell. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you will. Just click the red subscribe, click the dinner bell, and you'll be notified when we put new content on. And give me a thumbs up. Click that like button. Share this video. We are going to give this a taste. Oh yeah, popped out of there real nice. So, oh wow, look at that, nice and moist. The puppies think this is for them. That is good. Real good. Very moist. Make these. You'll like them. Bye.